Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode, what we're bodging, we're going to have a look at what I've been getting up to in September. As with last month, it's been a pretty quiet month with getting any RC work done, as I've been concentrating on the full-scale version of this, ready for a trip to the Nurburgring. So there might be a couple of clips and videos coming up of that. We'll see how it works out. I'll see if I can put a few pictures up of it, but that's took most of my time for the last month, 2 months, making sure everything's ready. However, that hasn't stopped me from getting onto the printer. So we've ended up getting some Sierra Cosworth wheels designed and printed. And here's a test print of some TSW Venoms. You'll remember these from the Max Power days. Wide body kits, silly large wheels. On the topic of wheels, I've had some MST wheels turn up. These are the adjustable offset ones. So I might even look at making some different centres for them, some different faces, so we can have a few more different wheel options. I counted up the other day and turns out I've done over 30 different wheels. A lot of them recently have been for the Fords. So I decided to order a Mark III Ford Escort body, as I've printed all the wheels, but I've never actually been able to show them off other than the customers' photos that they've sent me. So now I'll be able to put my wheels on there and we'll see how it looks. That's one of the projects coming up. If you're looking for a Mark III Escort body, these come from L&L Models. You obviously get the body itself, you get the bumper and some light buckets, some RS decals, window masks, and the rest of the decals to go with it. They also come with the 3D printed bumper. There are 2 versions of this. You've got the road going and you've got the rally version as well, which has got the middle bit of the bumper missing. So if you want to build yourself an Escort, get some Series 1 RS Turbo wheels, or even put some Series 2 RS Turbo wheels on. Then go to L&L Models. I'll put a link in the description and pick yourself one up. I also decided, as I've already done the twin turbo exhaust systems that were predominantly designed for a Porsche, but I didn't actually have a Porsche, so I bought a Porsche. So this will be having some KT2s, done these in the standard 26mm and the 32mm, designed a custom 5-bolt hub. These are just FDM printed. The ones that I'm going to fit will actually be resin printed, but I've just done them out of these so I can test fit, make sure I've got the offsets and everything else looking good enough. So they'll be going on there along with an exhaust. We're not going to do the Martini livery. I've got something else in mind. As I say, pretty quiet on the RC front this month once again, unfortunately, but I've been taking advantage of the weather while we've got it to work on the full-scale toy car, ready for the Nurburgring. So that should be a good weekend. Hopefully we get some decent pictures and videos. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see that. As I say as well, I have been getting parts and projects in, so I've got something to keep me busy when the weather's not so good. So don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see how these look on a Mark III Escort. Now these look on the 911 RSR. Oh yeah, and we'll see what we can get up to with these. Right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.